Makeup is life. Sige, tatanggalin ko para sa'yo. Ate, okay na ba? Reminder ko lang ha, ang makeup po ay binili para gamitin, hindi para itambak.
I'm a West Side baby. All my ladies, I'm tryna. Oh!
Akala mo iniintay ko yung chat mo? Sus! Ba't ang tagal?
I guess I'm just a play date to you. Do 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 do.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me. I like the view. I like the view. I like the view. I like the me.
Hi crush, ano ba mas bagay sa akin? Short hair or
Ito yung mukha ng bagong gising. Walang hilamos, walang toothbrush, wala pang suklay, walang eyebrow, walang lip tint, walang lipstick, at walang makeup.
QC. Part 2. Yeah. Bad beats.
Spending my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want for my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Now it's all what we need.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. To see in your face, that'll put you in your place. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. I got
Spending my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want for my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Now it's all what we need.
I need her. I got some bad things I wanna put my
Day 3 Daily Response, Harry.
I need her. I know how to make the girl go crazy. Wait.
I'm fine.
Take it out west, shake it out west. Go metallic knife, I can shake it out west.
Ate, Starbucks lang ako ah.
bawal lumabas.
Mag-Starbucks na naman kami ni Bobby. Kasama ko naman si Bobby. Sige na.
Alam mo ba kung ano yung sinasabi mo? Paulit-ulit. Bawal lumabas.
Starbucks lang naman ate. Tsaka kasama ko si Bobby. Siya nga yung star ng buhay ko eh.
Ay, pwede nang pala ikaw lumabas.
Talaga? Salamat ate.
All of the things I do. I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
That boy.
Hey.
Moving your hips to the left and the right, that's a pop. I stick to my style, popping moves for a while, that's a pop. That's a pop, yeah.
Pag nakita niyang may post kang bago, gusto niya i-dislike ito. Sila yung taong ayaw magpatalo, magpo-post din ng kung ano-ano. Puyat yan lagi, believe me. Kakabantay sa mga post mo, hindi titigil hanggat hindi niya masira ang pagkatao mo. Walang tigil ang kanyang bunganga, walang tigil sa panghusga. Titigan mo ang mukha niya, mas kalait-lait pa. Magsumikap.
I'm not falling, 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 I'm not falling. Okay, I'm falling.
All of the things I do. Baby ka! Baby ka! Lagi na lang ikaw ang busy, baby.
Puro raw ako shared post to. Eh, alam nga naman i-share kita. Eh, akin ka lang.
All of the things I do.
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
Basta, lagi mo lang tatandaan ha. Hotdog.
Pero alam niyo ba guys, sinukat ko yung damit ko kanina. Grabe, bagay pala tayo.
Isip bata daw ako. Malamang, baby mo ko.
Anong masarap na kape? Di ka peling ka. Samahan mo pa ng di ka papakawalan. Mamahalin kita. I love my life because my life is you.
5 angles challenge. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. If you're still pretty at angle 5, you're just superior. I just want.
Pabili.
Oh, ikaw na naman. Ano yan?
Happy.
Happy?
Happy na ako sa kanya.
To my crush, when I see you, I'm gonna punch you in the mouth. With my own mouth. Softly. Because I like you.
Turuan ko kayo kung paano uminom ng tubig. Kailangan nyo lang baso na walang laman at tubig. Tapos ibuhos nyo yung katangahan nyo sa taong hindi kayo pinapahalaga.
Panis yung biogesic pag ako ang nag-ingat sa'yo.
I'm an artist and a hopeless romantic. I spend most of my day in my head overanalyzing almost everything. I know I'm weird. I'm learning to love that about myself.
Oh my god, you cut your hair?
Yeah.
Why? It looked so much better when it was longer. Well, your mouth looked so much better when it was closed, so why don't we keep it that way?
Ganda-ganda ng pangalan ko, tapos tatawagin mo lang akong baby mo. Ulul! Sa panga.
I'm single when I'm lit, bitch. I'm single, I'm single, I'm single, I'm single, I'm single, I'm single, I'm single when I'm lit, bitch.
hindi ka na nagchat-chat. Okay lang. Ano naman? Kala mo namimiss kita? Ulul! Mag-reply ka na.
Baby, baby, please, ikaw ay nami-miss. Kailangan ko ngayong gabi.
Pagpasensyaan niyo na boses ko, pero ito lang yung kaya ko eh. Kaya katang malit.
Alam mo, pag ako naging drama, wala ka ibang marinig sa akin, kundi puro kiss muna. Alam mo kung bakit? Kiss muna.
Good morning. Fruit, egg. Oh, fruit, orange brand. Oh, shopping. Okay, plant, cactus. R, fruit, rambutan, celebrity, Ryan. Sino si Ryan?
Fucking in the house.
Uy, tara na, bili tayo milk tea.
Ayoko nga nun.
Ano bang gusto mo?
Siyempre, ikaw.
Pinarot, pusong malambot. Yung tipong bumabanat sabay, sabing charot. Naranasan mo na ba? Sinat ka ng iba, sobrang tindi ng mga banat. Yung kinikilig ka na, di mo pa nga siya kilala.
Part 2. First of all, hindi kita niloko. Sarili mo lang naman ang ginagawa mo, bobo. Sa asal mong ganyan, nagbumuka ka lamang gago. Naturingan kang babae, ugali mo'y tarantado. Hindi ko alam kung...
Yo! Kaya ba galit na galit ka sa akin before? Kasi para kang basketball player na bangko. Hindi ka makascore?
Yo, bitch! Nakakaawa ka, sakit mo, di ka makontento. Gamot sa sakit na yan, di ba na-invento?
Alam mo, hindi kasi magandang tingnan kapag may jowa ka tapos hindi ako.
Sin City was
Oh my god, you cut your hair?
Yeah! Why? It looked so much better when it was longer. Well, your mouth looked so much better when it was closed, so why don't we keep it that way?
All of the things I do. Baby ka! Baby ka! Lagi na lang ikaw ang busy, baby.
So, eto yung tsura ko po pag naka-ponytail na ban. So, feeling ko kasi laki-laki ng mukha ko dito, kaya di ko ginagawa. Baka masabihan na naman ako ng maga, diba? Pero yan.